Hey, hello there. So in this video we are going to discuss about various operations that we can perform on a pointer type variable. So let's quickly get started. Now, as pointer is nothing but a variable and it is also going to have some data type like int star, char star, something like that, right? So as on normal variables of type integer, character, we can perform some operations. Similar to that, on pointer type variable as well we can perform few operations. Okay, see, data type is very important when we discuss about the operations, because let's take one example. Let's say on integer, mod operator can be used. On integer data type we can use modulus operator, which is an arithmetic operator, but we cannot use this modulus operator on a float variable or on a double variable, right? Because it doesn't work on float and double variable, or it is not designed to work on float and double variable. Similar to such things, or similar to this, in pointers as well, there are few operations which are allowed. There are few additional operations which were not valid on normal data types like integer, character, float. And there are few operations which are not allowed on the pointer type variables, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about what are the operations which are allowed on the pointer and what are the illegal operations on the pointer. Okay, so to get started we are going to discuss about what are the valid pointers operations. So let's quickly see one by one what are the valid pointer operations. So the first operation that we can perform on the pointer is called as dereferencing operation. Now this dereferencing operation is pretty new. I mean, this is not applicable to the normal variables of type integer, character, float. Okay, it just works on the pointer, or it is specially designed for the pointer. We are going to see it in much more detail that what is dereferencing operation, how we can actually apply dereferencing operator on the pointer. So we are going to discuss about that. Then the next type of operation that we can perform on the pointer is called as assignment operation. So actually we can use assignment operator on the pointer, and we will discuss about that as well. Then we can also do some arithmetic operations on the pointers. Okay, so in arithmetic operations we cannot actually perform all the arithmetic operations, but there are few arithmetic operations which we can perform on the pointer. Example is addition operation can be performed on the pointer. We can perform increment, we can perform subtraction, we can perform decrement operation. So these are few valid arithmetic operations that we can perform on a pointer. Okay, and along with the arithmetic operation we can also use some relational operations, or we can also perform some relational operations on a pointer. Okay, so this was a valid list of operations that we can perform on a pointer. Let's quickly revise. We can perform dereferencing operation, we can perform assignment operation, we can perform arithmetic operations, we can perform relational operations. So these are the four operations which are valid on a pointer.